basically, this is who we are, just a quick run through of who Lloyds Banking Group are. All the recent fun in the banking world has meant that we've merged with Lloyds TSB and HBOS, the old Halifax Bank of Scotland, merged on in January 2009. We're currently still going through what is the largest integration project in Europe, certainly in the financial world, and one of the largest ever undertaken as far as we were aware. Headquarters are in London. We're currently running it out of 4 data centres. There was previously 2 for each of the banks. These will be consolidated over time. Just a bit of history about each of the banks that have all rolled into one to make it the largest bank in the UK now, with over 30 million customers and over 106,000 employees. Although with a SAN, it's all very fast and I/O goes in and it usually comes out the other end. But what happens when it doesn't? And this is obviously something we took very seriously, because people can come up to you with a nice graph telling you how your storage is working so badly, and all you can go back and say is no, it's not, but you've no proof. So this is where, say, NetWisdom and VirtualWisdom came in, so that we could actually have some tangible proof that things were running okay. We managed to incorporate the splitter and tap technology from VI. The current project that we're running through at the moment is to upgrade to VirtualWisdom and start to exploit it more, because previously we just had the hardware, so we could put it on critical banking systems and we could monitor them down at low level, but we didn't have the whole picture. So if you've got ports that are going on offline, your fabric, you can see a lot of it, but only obviously if you're monitoring that port. So we've got a storage-centric view. So now every storage array that rolls into LBG, we tap every single port, whether we take it anywhere or not, because it's at a price point we believe now that it's worth it. Because if you've got 50 servers plugged into one storage port and you need to take them down just once, then that would probably pay for the whole array. Why VirtualWisdom? Well, basically, it's agnostic. We don't have to believe anybody anymore. We can pressurise our suppliers, be it HDS, IBM, EMC, whoever, and we don't, they can say how their array is performing, but we know exactly how it's performing. We've already found bugs in various systems and helped them to develop it. They didn't like it when we first got it, because it showed up these bugs, but it's helped them to deliver to us a better product in the end. So that's given us an end-to-end monitoring solution. It's just about getting to root cause as quickly as possible, or the phrase that was termed mean time to innocence, or even guilt, because at the end of the day you'd rather be able to find out if a problem, if it is yours, you want to fix it. If it's not yours, you equally want to tell people it's not your problem. So that's the thing. So it's getting to that point quicker. So if it is you, well, okay, we'll fix that. Now we've put the Pro V on there. We've got the whole picture, and we can see things, and it will alert out within minutes. So things which people probably have and don't know they have, things like flopping ports and things like that have been a particular issue to us. You can see immediately now. As part of the project, we picked 3 critical apps, and we what we call de-risked those. So we created a higher level switch components, all the links into the storage, and so we basically captured the whole picture for three of those, so we can create reports out and pass them to the teams that really need to see them. So we've done the consolidation, we've upgraded to VirtualWisdom, and we've done all the component mappings for a lot of the critical apps. We're now sort of building this up. We did 3 originally, and so we put people through training, all the different members of the storage team at different levels of training, and each person can have their own log on and see the bits that sort of matter to them.